Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to add water to your AeroGarden. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to learn how to add water to their AeroGarden. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that with your AeroGarden, this light will sometimes blink red when it needs water, okay? So if it needs water, this is going to start blinking red. And then in order to add water, you simply just pull this tab open, and then here you can see that it has a fill to hole sign or fill to here sign. So what you'll do is that you'll add water until it fills it up to that surface level area right there. So you can either use a cup or you can use water, a watering can, to actually fill it up to that level right over there. But that is essentially how to add water to your AeroGarden. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.